Hi everyone. Today let's put an end to all the confusion about the Infinity Stones. We are gonna talk about the power of each Infinity Stone and what is the origin and in which movie it's first discovered. So let's get started. So what is the origin of Infinity Stones? Well, in the Guardian of Galaxy Volume 1, the collector said that before creation of the universe there were 6 singularities. After the Big Bang, the 6 Infinity Stones are formed from the remaining singularities. They all together have the capability to destroy people, planet, solar system, anything, just name it. They have so much power that you can't hold them without dying. That's why every stone has been kept in an object like a container. So let's talk about the stones one by one. The first one is Space Stone. Using the Space Stone, you can travel anywhere in the universe. It was first seen in the movie Captain America the First Avenger. It was kept inside the Tesseract Cube. Hydra used the Tesseract Cube to create powerful weapons. But Captain America defeated Red Skull and Shield kept the Tesseract Cube. But later on, Thor took the Tesseract Cube to Asgard, and in Infinity War, Thanos killed Loki and took the Space Stone. The second one is Mind Stone. It allows the user to control the mind of others. It was first seen in the movie The Avengers, where Thanos gave Loki the scepter to bring the Tesseract Cube from Earth. Mind Stone was kept inside the scepter. Later on, using the Mind Stone, Ultron and Vision were created, and in Infinity War, Thanos killed Vision and stole the Mind Stone. The third stone is Reality Stone. By using this, we can manipulate reality. We first saw this stone in the movie Thor the Dark World in the form of liquid stuff called ether. In the end of this movie, ether had been kept in the Museum of Collector. And as usual, in Infinity War, Thanos destroyed the Museum of the Collector and stole the Reality Stone. Fourth one is Power Stone. It gives you so much power that you can destroy a planet in a blink of an eye. This stone was first seen in the Guardian of Galaxy Volume 1 inside Orb, where Peter Quill stole it from the planet Morak. Later on, Nova Empire took the responsibility of the Power Stone, but in Infinity War, Thanos acquired the Power Stone by destroying the Nova Empire. The fifth stone is Time Stone. It gives you the control of time. You can see the future, you can reverse the time. It was first seen in the movie The Doctor Strange. The stone was kept inside the Eye of Agamotto. In Infinity War, Doctor Strange gave the Time Stone to Thanos on his will. But later on in the endgame, he got understood that it was the only way to defeat Thanos. Sixth one is Soul Stone. In Infinity War, Thanos traveled with Gamora to the planet Vormir, where the Soul Stone was kept and guarded by the Red Skull. And the Red Skull was the villain from the first Avenger. It's unclear that what the Soul Stone's actual power is. Although in comics the gems allows the holder to capture and control one's soul, it also creates a separate universe where the person who have the stone can trip souls. It's possible that people who turned into dust at the end of Infinity War may simply reside in this alternate universe created by the stone. At last, let's talk about the purpose of the weird looking glove Thanos put on his hand. By the way, the weird looking glove has a name, the Infinity Gauntlet, or whatever you can pronounce. I told you before that we can't hold Infinity Stone for a very long period of time without dying. The glove helps to hold all the stones. So that's for today's video. If you enjoy this video, hit a like and a sub would be great. Thanks for watching.